here again. There's another one over here. Little waterfall. And a turtle. Right there. There's some mallards doing whatever they do. I'm not really sure what they do. But there's another turtle right here. I'm not sure if it's alive or dead. Like, I almost want to like reenact that meme that's like poking the thing and talking about some, you know, hey, do something. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's alive or dead. It could just be like living its best life right there, but I can never like just sit on some of this grass and be walking barefoot. I can never do that because there's always shit all over the place from these birds, so that's unfortunate for me.